Look at that. Oh no, look at. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Well, here we are now. This is the first canoe trip of the season. It's early June, and I'm out here with my friends, Julian and Mo. I'm super, super stoked. We're gonna have a good time together. Let's go. Show the world your fish, buddy. The reason why we're eating surf and turf tonight.
Surf and turf.
Oh! I had a fish. Let's see if we can put it back in. Come on. Will he go again? Will he go? Yes. Come on. Yeah! Fish on! I actually can't stand grabbing fish in my hands. Oh! Okay, how do we do this? 1, 2, 3. Just grab it. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Give me some line here. Nice. Oh yeah, I did it. I did it. Woo-hoo-hoo! A little on the short side, but yeah, still good. Look at that. Oh no, look at. Nice. Nice.
Guys, walleye.
Yeah, bring it into the boat. Bring it into the boat. Nice.
Where do I grab it from?
Just for now, put it in the boat. Or grab it by the belly. That's where it goes.
Not by the top.
That's right. Unless the you're like me. You're like me.
Wait.
I found a friend. What are you doing?
Wait,
What?
I have a tool.
What do you mean you have a tool? Yeah, look at how blue that thing is. Nice. Yo, where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Find the fish. They fell off. It could be like way back there though. It could be a long.
That's unfortunate. The campsite is right down there. You can hear the rapids anyways. So?
Looks like I need to watch some YouTube videos on how to tie a knot. That sucks.
That does suck. So there seems to be two options here. Either we take kind of like the chicken pass and off we go out, or we go for the big juice at the back there. Oh, there's fish here. I saw a small little fish come at me. Let's go. That's pretty good. Oh, I need this. Mo. Cheers. Wow.
A nice little chutney.
Those are some serious sticks. You didn't get both of them.
That's true.
Yeah, put it on the side. Somebody says,
Julian, the chef, did it again. Chutney. Good morning, little guy. What are you doing? How'd you get in?
Well, no, because my... Here, a little bit.
Maybe the bun was for that.
Yeah, for his drone. It's not good, man.
I want to cook the. I don't have the carrots, but
That's so funny, eh? I wonder if I have footage of me yelling at my GoPro.
I know.
I laughed many times yesterday. You can hear Marty in the distance. GoPro, turn off! Fucking thing, GoPro!
He got progressively more aggressive towards this GoPro. And he just kept getting frustrated and frustrated. It was so fucking funny.
The voice activation's
Lean into it more. There we go. Squaring off of me. Yeah. Where are you? My left? Yeah. It is fun. Ow, 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 ow! It's okay. Let's go, baby! Let's go! So if you're gonna hit the hole, hit the hole. Lean into it. Because if you lean the other way as you're trying to go under, you'll flip. You gotta go in the hole. Right? When you went in, you saw the hole coming, you edged the other way, edged into the hole. Yeah, like go in with your paddle and you go right in there. Because that'll make you flip. Like same thing if you're to hit a rock, like sideways, lean into the rock. Okay. Yeah. Let's go, baby! Oh! Yeehaw! There we go.
Check it out. Hey, is this good?
Oh yeah, that's perfect, man.
See?
Yeah.
fresh fish fry.
Mo is running his line, and I want to try to see at the bottom how he's doing. So on the portage trail now, doing one quick load, and I'll come back for the rest. Bump and grind. And that's for the fun. Here he goes. Nice. Oh, he's going right for it. He's gonna go right for it. Oh. All right, let's. He's good. He just said he's fine. He's got his boat. Woo! He's gonna go to the side. Holy shit. Okay, man. Go help him. How is he doing?
He's doing pretty good. He lost his paddle. I was able to retrieve both his paddles. His foam block for his heels. But most importantly, the wine! Tonight. Look at it here.
I heard you celebrating out there. There you go. Woo! Holy shit! This is such a luxurious way to hammock camp, to combine the Eureka No Bug Zone CT13 with my hammock system. Instead of only using a tarp, this setup allows me to have a little 9x9 heaven so I can get changed and all that, because one downfall of going hammock camping is that you don't have a tent where you can go in, where you're out of the bugs and you can, you know, hang out and change your clothes and take the time to, you know, after a long day of paddling, you just want to take 3 minutes for yourself or 10 minutes for yourself. Well, that allows you to do that here, because in the hammock, it's really hard to get change and do anything really, so.
Oh my god. Like, you like nosedived and then the fucking wave hit your back. Like, boom. Oh my god. Oh my god.
been paddling in silence a lot of this morning, and just having a real moment of gratitude, to be honest. I'm so incredibly grateful to have the opportunity to come and do these things. To have such pristine place like this to be able to paddle is, and you know, like not polluted, clean, but it's even more unique to be able to do it with people like them, where you get to really share a moment and really bond together in the outdoors. I'm extremely grateful for it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.